So you're thinking about downsizing. That's great. One question many sellers have is, where would I go? I mean, there are so many options. Should I just buy a smaller house? Maybe a ranch, all one level? Or what about a condo or a townhouse? And what's the difference? Should I find a community geared toward 55 and older? And what are those benefits? Hi, I'm Jules Bechtold with Real Estate by Jules and Weicker Realtors Neighborhood 1. And I am a certified seniors real estate specialist. I know you have lots of questions if you're thinking about downsizing. I've worked with a lot of sellers in my 3+ years of experience selling homes, and many homeowners thinking about downsizing have this exact same question. The answer, of course, depends mostly on why you're downsizing in the first place. Buying a smaller home should reduce overall costs, lower mortgage payments, or none at all if you use the equity from the home you're selling, lower insurance and utility bills, probably lower taxes, and probably lower maintenance, depending on the property, of course. If you want to avoid some upkeep costs, then maybe you could think about buying a townhouse. Although you'll be sharing a wall, you own your part of the structure, plus the portion of the lot that your home sits on. So you have a yard, but generally the yards are smaller than those for single-family homes. Often yard maintenance is covered in townhome communities, but at a cost. In townhouse communities, you will be responsible for all exterior maintenance. After all, the house is totally yours. If you want someone else to be responsible for most of it, if not all, of the exterior maintenance, then you should consider buying a condo. Here, you pay monthly maintenance fees, but generally are not responsible for any exterior maintenance to the unit. This means no cutting the grass, painting trims, or replacing roofs, etc. You'll have to take care of the interior maintenance for the most part, as that's the part of the property that you own. Often, insurance costs are lower for condos as well. So where you go and what you buy depends entirely on your goals. Please connect with me. Call or text me at 570-647-6891 so that we can go over the pros and cons of single-family homes versus the alternatives. I'd be honored to serve you, and I look forward to hearing from you. I'm Jules Bechtold with Real Estate by Jules and Weicker Realtors Neighborhood 1. And remember, your property is a top priority at Real Estate by Jules.